plant, guys.
Hi, I'm Ryder. I'm Deb's son.
I'm Ty.
And we both work at Deb's greenhouse.
Today we're making a full sun planter.
We're gonna start with a rose and big eyes zonal geranium, a nice pink.
Next we're gonna go with another zonal geranium, and we're going with a sunrise lavender. It's like a lightish purple.
Next, we're gonna go with another geranium, a nice light pink.
Alright, now the middle's done, we're gonna start filling out the outside, and we're gonna start with a Petunia. This is the soft pink.
Coming at you with another Petunia, a Sugarplum, a nice full one.
Alright, now we got another nice purple one. It's the Supertunia Priscilla.
We're gonna add 2 Alyssum stream raspberries. Where are we putting these? I'll put them over here.
Alright, and lastly we got 3 of the Lamium dark purple. Just kind of fill it in a little bit.
Thank you for watching. This is our planner.